Hello and thank you for taking this course on hands-on security visibility with OS Curie. So who am I? I will be your instructor for this lesson. So who am I? My name is Adam Tilmer and I will be your instructor for this course. I work as a cybersecurity expert for the Danish police at the National Cybercrime Investigation Center. So who am I? My name is Adam Tilmer and I work as a cybersecurity expert at the Danish police with the National Cybercrime Center, also known as NC3, where I have a wide So who am I? My name is Adam Tilmer and I will be the So who am I? My name is Adam Tilmer and I will be your instructor for this course. I work as a cybersecurity expert at the Danish police with the National Cybersecurity Center called NC3, where my responsibility is everything from advising organization how to improve their cybersecurity posture, digital forensics, and investigating high-tech crime that include everything from ransomware, DOS attacks, and similar. Before my journey at the Danish police, I have also several years at the Army Intelligence as a cyber specialist, where I worked on things such as SIGINT, OSINT, HUMINT, and much more. I'm not allowed to go into any more details about this role as everything is classified. Besides that, I have also published a book together with Wiley about cyber threat intelligence and forensics. And I have a master's degree in computer science. So, what will you be learning throughout this course? First and foremost, before we get our hands dirty with OS Curie, we have to understand the importance of visibility into our network. To do this, we will go over the CIS critical security controls to get an understanding of why that is so critical. From there, we will learn how to install OS Curie, develop understanding of the key features and what is possible with this tool, get some hands-on experience, and learn how to manage multiple instances of OS Curie in a single instance called Fleet. So, who is this course for? The audience of this course is everything from auditor and compliance officer, together with sysadmin and security engineers. You might be thinking that is a very wide array of audience to have for this course. The reason for that is because the application of OS Curie can be everything from used to ensure that you are compliant by checking the integrity of the system, creating alerts, and much more. So, what are some of the requirements for this course? First and foremost, you have to have some basic IT skills. You have to understand how to use it. So what are some of the requirements for taking this course? First and foremost, a basic understanding of IT. From there, also some experience with VirtualBox or similar, because we will be working with a virtual Linux image to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Some familiarity with So what are some of the requirements for this course? First and foremost, I expect you to have some basic IT skills. Nothing major, some familiarity. So what are some of the requirements for this course? Well, some basic understanding of IT is key. Learning how or understanding how to use VirtualBox or something similar is also critical as we will be working with a virtual Linux image for most of this course. The reason for that is to ensure that everyone is on the same page, and some basic understanding of commands, especially Linux, would be nice, but not really required, as we'll be going over all the commands ran throughout this course. Thank you for listening. In the next course, we will go over. Thank you for listening. In the next video, we will be going over the sys critical security controls and why. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will go over the. Thank you for listening. In the next video, we will be going over the sys critical security controls and why visibility into our network is so critical.